आज finally hearing. Yes, Lee.
Today the matter was fixed for order. So the appeal filed by the appellant is allowed today. The stop work order issued by the village panchayat stands vacated, withdrawn. So both the parties had advanced arguments in their favor. Appellant had argued saying that this particular project is very important since it is in public interest, and construction of link road is very important for the effective implementation of Mopa airport. Without the link road, the construction of Mopa airport project is of no use. Secondly, they said this particular case is very much maintainable before this court. Advocate for respondent Panchayat had challenged on the ground that the case is not maintainable before the court of director, but they should have approached the office of block development officer under section 201A. So here the village panchayat did not have jurisdiction to issue a stop work order in respect of government projects which are in public interest, and hence when panchayat themselves did not have jurisdiction, they are not in a position to question the maintainability of this particular appeal. Secondly, this particular project, like I said, is very important for tourism, for boosting the tourism economy. This Mopa project which will be coming up, which is very important for the state's economy, and any particular project, especially an airport project without a road, cannot be effectively maintained. Secondly, another objection was regarding permissions. The respondent panchayat was saying that they were not having environmental clearances, they did not have forest permissions, but after going through the documents, it is seen that they are having the forest permissions for felling of the trees, and also they are having environmental clearance. Now, Mopa airport cannot be taken separately, like the road cannot be separated from the Mopa airport. That whole project is together, and hence environmental clearances are very much there. So on that ground, I have allowed the appeal, and the stop work order issued by the panchayat is withdrawn.